Hi everyone, I am just busted out my slow cooker. I know it's 2 o'clock here in Queensland, 3 o'clock elsewhere in the country, but that's okay. Dinner is still going to be on the table by 6 o'clock because tonight I am putting my chicken breast in my slow cooker. And I know when you think slow cooker, you often think those hard-working muscular pieces of meat like pork shoulders and ham hocks and, chucks, big roast beef sort of pieces, but I don't know when the last time was any of you put a chicken breast in your slow cooker, but this is my chicken a la Mexicana recipe. And yes, it is a recipe out of the easiest slow cooker book ever. And what I love about it is just, it's much faster than some of those bigger, hardworking, hello everybody, how are you? Some of those bigger, faster, hardworking, muscular pieces of meat to cook. So, and for those of you that have this fab little book, page 59, turn to page 59, chicken a la Mexicana. This is how easy this recipe is done in your slow cooker. And mid-afternoon, no problem whatsoever. You are still going to make a beautiful shredded, tender piece of, dinner as well. So, into the base of your trusty slow cooker. Yes, I love this appliance, one of my favorite kitchen appliances. And if you haven't got a slow cooker, go check out Better, our friends at Better Home Living, better.com.au. Look for their specials online and get yourself one delivered to your home. Honestly, it's the cheapest antidepressant there is in the marketplace. 10 minutes at the start of the day, and you walk in at the end of a busy day with the knowledge that dinner is done. So, okay, beautiful people, chicken a la Mexicana, this is how it's done. First ingredient, salsa. So whatever salsa, before you ask me, is on sale at your local supermarket. So there's our jar of salsa. Now, why do we love salsa? Because it's adding flavor to our dish. So I can already smell those beautiful, paprika and cumin and onion sort of scents in that jar. So that is just a 300 gram jar of salsa. Onto that, I'm going to put, I just drained them, but some kidney beans. Now you could use black beans, mixed beans, whatever beans you want. So I'm just going to put them over the top of my salsa, like so. And then I'm going to move my protein just there. I had a little bit, I went to my my crisper, my fridge, and I had a little bit of capsicum. So roughly chop my capsicum into little pieces, and I am going to add it along with some onion. So you could add whatever veggies you've got. Now, okay, these are additional ingredients to the recipe in the book, but that's okay. You use my recipes as a base, and you add whatever veggies you can, whatever veggies you have, whatever veggies you think your family will eat. So I just have half a red onion, and as you saw, probably about a third of a red capsicum. So they're going in. I also have a really big bunch of curly parsley. So I'm going to put that in too, because every time you add green to anything, you are adding loads of nutrients. So loads of vitamins, loads of minerals. Parsley, as we know, really, really dense in vitamin C. So I am putting in a huge, big handful. Oh, it's so aromatic. Okay, huge, big chunk of fresh parsley. And then onto that, I'll just put that away. Onto that, I am going to pop our final ingredient, which is today my chicken breast. You could do any kind of meat, but I want to show you this. Why I'm using chicken breast, I don't know if you can see that. It was on sale. See that little amount there? It was on sale for $7.99 a kilo. Oh, I can't see, but anyway. That's it there, $7.99 a kilo. Anyway, I'm doing a hopeless job. $7.99 a kilo. So when I see chicken at $7.99 a kilo, I'm buying 2 trays. Because guess what? My beautiful puppy dog, a caboodle, Johnny, I've got a whole load of chicken breast steaming over here for him as well, because it's just so lean too. So here we go. We are going to put... Okay, 1 big chicken breast like so over the top, 2 big chicken breasts like so, 3, oh, that big one there, and that's about as much as my pot can fit. But I just want to show you what that looks like in my slow cooker. So that's it. You've got your salsa and your beans, whatever beans you've got. Chop up your veggies, whatever veggies you have. And then I use some parsley, but you use whatever aromatics, and then your chicken breast over the top. Now, what I love about chicken in my slow cooker is it doesn't take as long to cook. So if you're like me and you're running late and you're still going to go out tonight, 2, 3 o'clock, a few hours. So this one, let's crank it up onto high for 2 to 3 hours, or low for 4 to 5 hours. Then what you're going to do, oh look, everyone's excited. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come along at the end of your time. You're going to grab 2 forks, you're going to lift up the lid, and you're going to start to shred that chicken. And it's just going to shred into those lovely Mexican infused flavors. Now to serve this, you can see over here, I've got my mission wraps. I just got, they're beautiful soft spinach and herb green colored wraps. I'll make a beautiful salad with all this green stuff. I've got some fresh coriander that will go on top, and then I'm going to just crumble some feta, and I'm going to add a little bit of cumin and chili flakes, and that will be not only a really scrummy, easy dinner tonight, but lunch boxes tomorrow. Cook once, eat twice, just how we like it in the busy 4 ingredients kitchen. So really the base of chicken mexicana, a la mexicana, is just your salsa, your beans, whatever veggies you've got, and then your protein. And in this case today, because of the time constraints, I'm using chicken breast. So that's it. You can add then to that whatever else you want, or flavor it any way you want. Serve it up tonight in your wraps or your tacos, and then again for lunch tomorrow too. So hope that's been of help to you all. But for those of you that haven't used your slow cooker, and I can't imagine there'd be very many of you, get it out. Even my slow cooker's on my bench top every 365 days of the year, so I would use it absolutely every single week. Judy Painting, love my slow cooker. Oh my God, Jude, me too. Have you ever done chicken breast, Judy, in your slow cooker? Angela Wells, I will do this for sure. If you have children or grandchildren in your lives, that whole Mexican flavor, they just love it. So this one, shredded chicken, that will really, beautiful. Karen Pilecki, what a great idea for tonight. Well, if you've got chicken in your fridge, chances are you've got salsa, so you've got plenty of time to put it on. Julie Ellis, Yum Kim, definitely going to try this one. It's a cracker, Julie. And like I said, not only do you get dinner, you get lunch the next day as well. Pammy Thomas, Vicky Day, Natalie Rebecca Bunner, looks awesome. Well, it will when it's done. So I'll take a picky tonight and show you all, beautiful people. Colleen Crumpton, yes. Santa, hello, my darling. Catherine Dow Coleman, love my slow cooker. Oh my gosh, me too. Pammy Thomas, hello, love my slow cooker. Date night sorted. Oh, Stevie, hello. Sophia Kubas, well done. Well, it will be well done in 3 to 4 hours. So remember, low 4 to 5, high 2 to 3, and then just the only utensils you will need at that point are 2 forks with which to just shred and mix. Season to taste. Bye, beautiful people. Now the cleanup. Although it's a slow cooker, so there's not much to do. Thank God for that. All right, toodles, everyone. Have a great day. Happy Tuesday. See you soon. Bye.